Hello all. Very hot here in California today. About 86 right now and climbing. Let's go over to the board and check out what's happening with our birds around the world. Not too much good news there. So it looks like 1 in 8 bird species are threatened with extinction. Some of the birds that are going to go extinct pretty quickly here are the puffins, the snowy owls, and the turtle doves. There are many, many more that are on the list that aren't too far behind. So what are the biggest things that affect birds? 74% of birds are affected by farming, logging, hunting, and invasive species. And of course, they have the same problem as the large bird species have, and that's eating so much plastic. The larger the bird, the more plastic they seem to eat, and the more deaths we're seeing because of the plastic pollution. Remember, never use one-use plastic, and dispose of it. Make sure you dispose of it in the garbage and not out the window. Use recycled coffee cups to go get your coffee in the morning. Don't just buy some kind of plastic covered coffee when you can get them with the cover, and you just wash them and reuse them over and over. What a concept. So how many bird species have we humans saved since humans have been saving species? Only 25. So one of the biggest threats to birds is logging. Over 10 billion trees are cut down each year for human use only. No trees, no birds. The best thing humans can do is plant native vegetation on their property or around where they live. The trees, shrubbery, flowers, all of it helps with the birds that are supposed to be there. Native trees help native birds. Native vegetation gives the birds the ability to eat and build nests and that sort of thing. Without native trees, they don't know really how to work it or where to get their food. And of course, they just go and eat some plastic and end up dying. A little shorter video today, but I really wanted to put this one out here because bird populations are crashing around the planet. Remember, planting one tree a year that's native to the area you live in can only help. I definitely appreciate the new subscribers and the ups and the downs, and especially all the comments. They're getting really good. I wish I could comment back, but you know YouTube. I'm not going to let it happen. Oh well, my comments are here on the video, and I certainly appreciate your comments. And until next time.